All right, we're gonna roll this once again, get some close-up enhancements. You can see the birds flying around. This thing is off at a distance. I don't think this is some kind of sunset. We're looking at something very, very strange. Is this some kind of natural weather phenomenon or some kind of portal off the horizon there? Incredible stuff. We're adding some brightness contrast right now to make whatever this thing pop, but look at the size of this thing. I would have to say this is one of the most massive UFO sightings I've seen. This has to be at least the size of a building.
Yeah, or maybe much larger.